In this video, we will learn how to undo your specific commits into the GitHub account. So let's see with the real example. So you can see I already have a repository. So now I already have a clone. So what I will do, I will simply call commit one, save it. Okay. And I will add the commit. So I will say git add, and I will simply call commit message like commit one. Okay. And I will simply push it. I will say push main. Okay. And hit enter. Okay, now if I go here and refresh it, okay, there is 11 commit, and you can see that I added the code commit one. So I will add another commit as well. So I will simply make it 1 and 2, and simply go and I will say git add git commit, and then I will say commit 2. Okay, and hit enter, and I will say git push origin main. Okay. Okay, now it's done, and let me do another commit, and I will say 3. Okay, and I will simply add it again and commit with the 3. Okay, and I will simply call push origin main. Okay, so now what I did, so if you go here and simply refresh it, you can see that I have a 13 commits, and you can see that if I go here, there is 3 commit, 1, 2, and 3. So now let me go back. Okay, and now you can see that I added the 3 line over here. So by accidentally I add like 2 and 3. I just want to keep 1. So same thing in your code, there is a many file and many things, but in this example I have a 3 line I added, so accidentally I had 2. So what, how can I retrieve, how can I revert that changes? Okay, so what we made before with the first commit. So what I need to do, first of all I need to do git log, and you can see that I already commit name, like there is a one commit. So I just want to keep these changes, I don't want these two changes. So what I do, simply copy this. Okay, and I will simply say Q and exit. Okay, now I will use git revert command. So I will say revert. Okay, and I will simply paste what is the commit ID and hit enter. You can see that there is a conflict in the index.php file, index.html file. So it's right, only commit one, that's you need to keep one, keep. Okay, so you need to do just one, and you can solve this commit. Okay, after solve, what you need to do, it just say you need to add manually what file you want to add and what file you want to remove it. Because if you say git status, you can see that this is only index.html modify in that specific commit. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply git add, and I will say index.html. Okay, and then you can see that then run git revert command. Okay, so I will simply copy and I will say git revert continue, and you can see that you need to keep like revert commit one, and I will simply control X, and you can see that I revert it, and I will say git add. Okay, and git commit, and I will say revert it, and I will say git push origin main. Okay, hit enter when it push these changes. Okay, now you can see here, if I go here and refresh it, you can see that there is a 14 commit, and if I go here, and you can see that it's only keep commit one, and if you go here and go to the commit list, you can see here it's reverted. You can see that GitHub already added revert commit one. So in the commit one we have a just one line. So I hope guys how you can easily revert your changes, and you can push that changes to the GitHub repository. So I hope guys if you understand this video, and if it helps to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.